Hey there, darling. This is Faith Hunter, author, global wellness expert, and your guide to soulful living. In today's video, we are diving into the beautiful and balancing energy of the new moon in Libra happening on October 21st, 2025 at 7:25 a.m. Central Time. In this video, we'll explore what this lunation means for your relationships, your inner balance, and your ability to attract harmony in every aspect of your life. We'll unpack all of that astrology, the influences shaping this new moon. We'll look at Venus, which is Libra's ruling planet, and how it's guiding your heart as well as mine right now. Plus, we'll explore, of course, the key energies to help you set powerful intentions. Then at the end, you know what I'm going to deliver. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes deeply to drop into a nourishing guided meditation in that soft rewire style that I do that will help you anchor the energy in your body, calm your nervous system, and open yourself to new beginnings with grace. So go on and grab your cup of tea, a glass of wine, and let's get started. This new moon sits, of course, in the sign of Libra, the peacemaker, the lover, the artist of harmony and beauty. Libra energy teaches us how to find balance, not perfection. But it's also about flow, the flow between giving and receiving, independence and togetherness, between what feels good for others and also what feels true for you. And because this new moon is happening in the final degrees of Libra, it's a little more charged, a little more karmic. It's like a culmination point before the energy shifts into that Scorpio vibe, meaning there's a strong invitation to close a chapter in how you relate and begin a new one rooted in deeper truth and reciprocity. Now, Libra, again, is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, values, and beauty. And during this lunation, Venus is shining a bright light on your heart. She's asking you to check in. Here are a few prompts. Are your relationships aligned with your peace? Are you honoring your needs and boundaries as much as you care for others? Here's the deal. This new moon is squaring Jupiter in Cancer. So there's a bit of push and pull energy between wanting expansion and needing, desiring emotional safety. You might feel torn between staying in that cozy, comfortable spot with that hot cup of tea and reaching out for something more aligned, something way more authentic to your heart. That tension that you're feeling is not punishment. It's guidance. Jupiter is actually saying, you want more abundance, more joy, more fulfillment? It begins with emotional honesty. Now, we're also coming out of this eclipse season, which means things may have felt a little uncertain lately. Truths were revealed, endings were unfolding, shifts were happening in many directions. But this Libra moon closes that chapter, helping all of us find clarity after the cosmic shake-up, jiggle-wiggle, dance around. You guys know how that eclipse season was happening. But here's the wonderful part. Mercury is active too, which means communication, both internal dialogue and also external. And it's kind of a major theme right now. The conversations you may have been avoiding may rise to the surface, and they'll send softness, clarity, as well as care. I want you to remember, Libra's superpower isn't confrontation. It's connection through truth. So the message here is balance yourself through awareness, peace through truth, and love through boundaries. Babe, this is your invitation to reset your relational energy. And I want you to create harmony, not by avoiding discomfort, but by standing in your integrity. Here are a few energetic themes. Under this new moon, many of us will feel the urge to reconnect with people or projects that mirror our growth. Redefine boundaries that carry peace instead of people pleasing. We may be inclined to beautify our environments, home, workspace, or even digital spaces. And also cultivate grace under pressure. This moon is about refinement. Think of it as an emotional feng shui. Yeah, that's the word I want to use. Think of it as an emotional feng shui moment, clearing what's heavy, rearranging what's off balance, and creating space for the energy of love, peace, and artistry. And that artistry, I'm going to invite you to let it flow freely. Also ask yourself, what does equilibrium look like in your relationships? What does harmony feel like in your nervous system? And how can you show up in connection without losing yourself? These are your soul questions under this new moon. Now let's set some intentions before we drop into this meditation. Here are a few ideas you can plant tonight or over the next couple of days. I attract relationships that reflect mutual love and respect. I release the pattern of overgiving and open to receiving with grace. I create peace by honoring my truth. I move through the world with elegance, honesty, and calm. And I am both grounded and open to divine partnership in all forms. I'm going to drop these below in the comments, so feel free to use them. Feel free to journal them, write them down, whisper them before you fall asleep. Speak them out loud while placing your hand over your heart. Allow yourself to fully and completely embody these intentions. All right, babes, let's go in and drop into this Soft Rewire guided meditation. Get comfortable. Take a few breaths and allow yourself to anchor into this moment of ease. Close your eyes or gently cast them down. Or if you're taking a nice little walk, breathe deeply. Wherever you are, allow yourself to be fully and completely present, and allow your breath to meet the tension in your body and support you in finding softness. Feel your shoulders melt away from your ears and release any tension in your jaw muscles. Begin to imagine yourself standing in a beautiful garden. The air is calm. The night is soft. And the beautiful sky above you is glowing. Stars are shimmering bright. With each inhale that you continue to take, I want you to feel the energy of the moon washing over you. I want you to feel the essence of harmony, balance, and renewal. Now, when you take those exhales, I want you to release the weight of old patterns. Release people pleasing, release overthinking, release self-criticism, and definitely let go of the need to prove. Now place your hand over your heart, one palm on top of the other. Breathe in this thought and breathe in this statement. I am safe to love and be loved. I am safe to receive. I am safe to love and be loved. I am safe to receive. I want you to notice the gentle rhythm of your own heartbeat, the steadiness, the calm, the ease. Feel your breath synchronize with these words. I am safe to be loved. I am safe to love. I am safe to be loved. I am safe to receive. Now visualize a beautiful white rose blooming in the center of your chest, in your inner garden. Its petals are opening softly, layer by layer, and it symbolizes your own unfolding, your unfolding of your truth. The scent is soft and sweet, reminding you that peace is power. And come back to those words. I am safe to love and be loved. I am safe to receive. I am safe to love and be loved. I am safe to receive. Continue to soak up the vibration of those words and know that you are in harmony with your life. You have the capacity to create balance with every breath. And you trust divine timing and your own inner rhythm. Take a few more breaths to inhale and exhale and allow all of this Libra moon energy to wash over you as you release anything else you're holding that is not serving your highest good. Be in the moment. Feel the intentions. And allow the universe to align with softness and sincerity. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. And gently bring yourself back to the present moment, feeling that essence of gratitude for allowing yourself to take time to be with your breath and to be present. I want to definitely say thank you for sharing this sacred time with me under this Libra New Moon. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more soulful guidance. And whenever you're ready to transform from the inside out, come home to the Spiritually Fly membership. This isn't a library of classes, it's a living sanctuary of your own evolution. Inside, you'll find guided meditation, somatic movement, breathwork, and nervous system rituals designed to help you come home to yourself, to your truth, and to the safety that lives within. This isn't about doing more, it's about coming home to you. So take a slow breath with me, feel your body soften, and let yourself trust divine timing. Stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly. Ciao.